And we are live. I realize that actually looks really shitty. Hold on. My event list doesn't look as good. Place that down. There, make it a little bit smaller. Hold on, I gotta fix my parent group here. You can go. Group. You can go back down here. Wait. Oh, come on, you. Here we go, and then event list. I'm just gonna hide you for now. Hey, thanks for the follow. That should be better. Yeah, it looks decent. So, how is everyone? Yes, Allsfather is here. Give me one moment, I'm gonna switch over to, so I can still view Twitch chat. There we go. Hello, Blenny. I see you over there on Twitch. Hello. Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me alright? Is the music too loud? Am I too loud? Just let me know. Because I have no idea. It's a new mic, so I'm testing everything out. Volume's fine? Perfect. I just got myself I struck a fucking deal on at Target actually. I got the Yeti Orb recently. You don't hear the music? Huh. Weird. It should work. You guys don't hear the music at all? Like at all? Hey Cover, thanks for the follow. Clover, that's Clover. That says, no, that says Cover. Okay. Perfecto. Alright, let's get started, shall we? I've been working on this for Guardian. This is actually, this is the system that was given to me by NC, the original creative spirits. He had this magic arrow system for a while, so I asked him for it, and he reluctantly gave it to me. If you've seen me in game, you probably know what it is. I put an item in my belt, knock an arrow, and shoot a player, and then what will happen is the player, once they remove it, or whoever removes it from the player, will gain that stat. So, for instance, I believe this is... one of these is the MRK Fuel Core. I know this one's Flint. So this one's Flint. If I get spell right. One of these is the MRK Fuel Core. One of these is Stone? I can't remember. One of them. NC did like a bunch of them. I just really need to make new ones. But I'm thinking of adding this to Arcane in the form of a system that you'll cast, and then for the next 10 minutes or so, you'll be, or you can cast it and then shoot a player, and then it would do it. But I'd have to, I don't know how I'd actually fully, like, work that. I'd have to use similar systems. Okay, I'm just checking that I have stuff. Ooh. Let's save that. Okay. I also want to make it so when I have Guardian active, more than one person can use this. So right now I only have this, but I'm actually going to have a... once I get the chance, I'm going to have it so my target can use it on Guardian. So what I need to do is I need to do this. So I need to yoink this here. Put this over an index. This is Guardian, by the way. If you've not seen it, Guardian is my voice system. It's my private voice system. It's actually what came before Arcane. Set tolerant, set interval, magic. Let's get that changed inventory in there. There we go. And then I need I need you. There we go. What am I missing? I'm missing something. Hold up. What's broken? Control Z. Okay, it was something with that. Is it one of these? No, it's not one of those. What is like breaking here? Oh, is it because of this? That's why. Okay, that makes more sense. Hello, Dan. Yes, I did get Magic Arrow to work. I got it to work really well, actually. It still can get buggy because of player credentials, but other than that, it's decent. Okay. So if I do this here, so what I'm doing here is I'm making basically a separate thing. So it'll check, similar to like PEMDAS, if you guys remember that from school. I know it's summer now, but like, geez. It's gonna check these parentheses first. So what that's gonna do, it's gonna check that, or if event dot data dot user dot, that's comma dot username equals target. Yes, I am using GitHub to do version control. Guardian's GitHub is not public, but if you're wanting a system like this, I do sell them. Thank you for the graduation, by the way. For the thanks. I can't believe I actually made it. Sorry. But yeah, it is on graduating. Graduating. Jesus, I'm sorry. I don't do this. I haven't done this in a long time. I am using a GitHub repo for version control. It's private, so no, you cannot access it. But if you're wanting to have something like this, if you want your own version of Guardian, I do sell them as my business. It's my way I actually support doing Arcane, as well as all the supports from you guys from like Twitch streams, YouTube streams, as well as the supporter stuff within Arcane. Dashboard, there we go. Is like my thing dying? Okay, no, it's not. It's still at 30 FPS. Okay. Also, if you see me looking over here all the time, it's because I have my chat over here. I can also probably do, I think it's that number. No, it's not. Which number was it? Del, enter. It was one of them. I have something to turn on that. But yeah. Okay, what am I doing? So I just made it so it does the targeting. So this will check first, and then it'll check if this is true, or this is true. Meaning if my event's my target, if my thing's my target, or it's me. Yes, I do know. Hi, deity. I've heard you've been doing dumb stuff recently, but I'm not going to get into that as this is a drama-free stream. Please. And then it checks if the item is the, oh my god, why can't I think of the name? The name of it. Wait, hold up. This is weird. Uh, what's this? Let me check this item ID. CJ's item list. I love how everyone's like, oh yeah, it's CJ's item list. There we go. Is there any item with that? There's no item hash with that name. Utilities, data, Control F, Control V. There's nothing with that name. What is that item hash? Does anyone know what that hash is? I don't know what it is. That's weird. Because that's the one for the Kamakai arrow. Uh. That's weird. Okay. Oh yeah, I do need to add these as well. I forgot. For my process on rejections, because the bot will just randomly break for that stuffs. That's the get ignore. There we go. This pretty much just makes it so magic arrow will not break. For some reason, it does that. I might want to change this to just command. I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so connection dot send, and then we're going to have it do command. And command is going to equal so what I'm going to have it do is command equals command. Okay. So command equals command. A potato chip. Life is like a potato chip, you know? It is true. Let's do let command. Okay, let command. So what this will be basically the command that I'm running. So if I have a flint in my pocket, I will run. By the way, thank you for the subscribe there, Death. I'm gonna do command equals player. Let's do player modify stat. Thank you. Modified. Oh wait, I need to put that in a string. Ooh. Modify dash stat. Event.data.user ID. Or should I? Thanks, Jax, for the follow, by the way. Um, how should I do this? Because I can't really get that information until... Oh, wait, I can. Oh, I can. Never mind. I'm good. I'm set. Perfect. Poison. 120. That'll be for... So if I have a piece of flint, right? And it'll run the command. This would be a capital C. Thank you, Sub-Zero, for the follow. Did it again. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Let's modify this. So this will be... So it'll be command equals player modify dash stat speed 120, and this will be -1. Surely, you know what? Let's do a funny. 100. Do that. -100 for 20 seconds. Did I seriously miss? I did misspell command. Nice. Okay, so now Guardian works on either if I have a target or if I have that. Okay. So that means my target can use it. Or me. Oh, wait. I also have to do equals. There we go. This is no longer buff name. Let's do arrow, then let's do magic arrow tuned. That'll work there. Okay. Let's have this. I wanna fix this one. I might change this to also work on to remove players from my chunk. But that never works because everyone's so fast that it can't trigger the events fast enough. Hey Fangle, welcome in. I forgot Streamlabs does that. Sorry. Hold on, let me fix you. Where'd it go? Overlays. Let me fix that issue with this. change that to 500. Here we go. By the way, to answer your question, about do you think Alta should add more player subscriptions, like player status or player damage? Yes, that would be absolutely wonderful to what we have or to what we are getting. Um, well, like that would work amazingly for us because it'd be able to detect it. Granted, right now we can only detect if we enter or leave combat or enter spirit mode and leave spirit mode, which really sucks. Um, but theoretically, when taking if you do taking damage, you could have stuff like spam to the network or spam to the API, and that would basically crash every system because you know how people are when it comes to well breaking shit or doing lots of damage. Yeah, I know it still appeared in the chat box and screen, but it like still broke. It still said, "Hey, your message is too long." Um, but yeah, if that answers your question, pretty much we would break the Township Tale if that was a subscription because they wouldn't be able to handle it properly without like destroying all of their servers. You can't post links in this thing, so yeah, sorry. But feel free to send it or like put it in your bio or something, and people can go to it. Or just advertise it in the main Discord. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna move that back so you guys can actually like see. That's understandable. Okay. Sorry, I'm like reading this. Okay, sorry. I was looking at. Why am I doing this less than 4 seconds? Hmm. Okay. I've already seen it, Death. So yeah. Okay, back to this. Let's grab some more, shall we? Um. Who wants to be a test dummy for Raven? go. You're on PC? Okay. I just realized there's not as many people in here anymore. Unfortunate. Okay. Yeah, I just need someone to be able to use... I just need stuff to be picked up in there. Sure, sub, if you want to do it. Okay, I'm gonna actually run magic and have it work through there, so I can at least get what item you're picking up. I'm gonna need you to go get a dice. Or just give me a server that you know about that I probably have perms on. Yes, this is voice commands. This is Guardian. Sub, are you in any of these servers that are here? You probably can't see them. Are you guys in any, are you in any of these servers? I don't have Township Life as a server that have mod perms in, sadly. And Fire Nation is not. Oh, Fire Nation is online. Yeah, let's yoink that. Over to Magic. And start up on there. And restart. There we go. So all you need to do is pretty much get on there and pick up an item. It's gonna error those out. There we go. Let's see what this is. Item name. Book. I like books. Order's bag. Order's bag. I could do a potion medium. Oh, you want to do last avatar? Okay, I can do that. Last avatar. So this is what I'm gonna need you to pick up, pretty much. I'm gonna need you to pick up dice and a what's it called? I can't think of the name. I'll just think. If you think of any cool items that you'd love for me to use, the thing, that'd work. All right, bots online for last avatar. I'm gonna wait for the thing to go through for someone to pick something up. I got you there. Is your first player identifier still the dice? No. I don't know. Who knows? This one picked up a stone. This one picked up a short handle. Cool. We docked it. Okay. Another stone. Dropped stone. Picked up that. Stone. God, I guess they're building a bag. Dice. Like wooden dice. Actually, I wonder, did NC give me... Hold on. I need to check something. He give me the... Oh, he did! Is this right? Hold up. I might not even need your help. Control F. Oh, I'm so happy. He gave me the item hashes. So never mind, I do have them. I'm gonna do wooden dice on here. Else if command equals that. So if I do that, if command does not equal that, and then I got that. So now what I can do is I can do this. Thanks, game. Thanks, Copilot. Very cool. Let's do player modify. Let's do player damage and data.user. Let's do 0.8. So it does half, or no, let's do 0.8. 8 bars of health does... Oh wait, no. I need to do it by 2. There's 10. I need to divide that in 4 quarters. 10 divided by 4. Calculator. 10 divided by 4. 2.5. 0.25. Okay, so I need to do that. That takes a quarter of their health. I should have known that. Wait, I'm stupid. Ugh. Okay. So that'll be a dice. Dice. This would be a... which one's this? Control C. Six, 5. 0.1 is 4? Really? Really? Sorry, I'm looking through this list to see if I can find it. Whatever this item is. It's not in this list. Oh. Oh, makes sense, yeah. Okay. Let's do this one. Let's do else if equals that. This is going to be go Terraspore. Do that. And then we're gonna do Nightmare 1, 4. How long should I do it for? I want to like obscenely damage them, but like not murder them. 6 seconds? I guess that'd work. Okay. If I do cooked spriggle meat, let's do this one. Else if equals this, which is cooked spriggle meat, it's going to player set dash stat hunger 2. So it's going to fill their hunger. That's gotta be a cooked one. Actually, I might do the, if I have the raw version. I don't have the raw version. Would anyone be willing to get the item hash of a raw one? Hmm. Raw Spriggle. So that inventory change, what it does is it will check if I have an arrow in my hand or pick up an arrow. That's pretty much it. Actually, don't know what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a bone instead. That's the drumstick raw. Is that the item ID or the item hash? There's a difference. There's actually a difference. I'm gonna change it from shit. Hold on. Control C, Control V, bone. There we go. Stop that. Okay. Never mind. I just got the bone. I'm gonna use the bone. And then I'm gonna use this one. Maybe. I don't know. Looks like yes, you are the only one on YouTube, but there's 3 people on Twitch watching. So yes, you are the only one on YouTube side right now. an idea. I'm gonna completely change how this thing works. If arrow.index.command there we go. Equals frost equals frost, and then gonna go down to frost perfecto. There we go. That works way too well, sadly. Let's go look at Twitch side. Oh, you are on there now? Okay. Hello, sub. Welcome back. My Echo decided to respond for me. So let's change this. D. Let's do event. Data. Dot. User. Dot ID. ID. Else. That worked way too well. That works way too well. Oh, hi Sub-Zero, welcome back. So, what this does is if the command equals frost, I can I can flashbang people. So what I'm gonna do is if I have a what item should I use? Salt, rock, grass clump, terracotta eyes, wooden bag, phantom guard, gourd canteen. I'm already using the spore, which I could have used. Arrow, crystal blue stick. More or less, I'm creating a wand. But that wand has a castable distance and it's shot. Can you put a katana handle in your front two slots, or is it only the sides that can? Only sides? Okay. God damn, my nose is like dying here. Apologies. You know, let's use a crystal gem. Else if that, then that becomes crystal blue. Command equals frost. Oh, I could do this so much easier. Oh god, hold up, wait. That implies that I can do... Yes, it is. Don't be stupid. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. I just thought of the best idea ever. This one goes here. Oh. I'll change it later. Brown mushroom, sure. It's going to be echo. It's gonna do that. And then it's just gonna Control C, Control V. There we go. Do that. I realize I just like fucked that up. Hold up. Else if arrow data, that's arrow helper, arrow data dot command equals echo. Because I just don't give a shit. Also, Case never wants to work for me. And my mentality style for this bot is the exact same as how Undertale was developed. It's a bunch of switch cases, it's a bunch of if else. Yeah. Also, I just don't want to rewrite this because I'm lazy. There we go. And echo. Where's echo? Echo, 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 echo. I could just look this echo. There we go. If I do echo, then I do that, and then I do return. And then with this, actually I could just like Control X, and I do that. And then I do that, and then I return from there. There, that works. Control S. So now, equals, so this will actually be, this will be the event. There we go. spinner. Wait, what the fuck did I do? That works. There, fixed it. I died so quick though. Price, your voice commanded. For those who buy from you, do you pay per command, base command, something like that? So pretty much what I do is I have under my policy, I have a $30 down payment. That's just so if you like fall through or something, I still at least get money from it because this is the way I make money. This is the way I pay for Arcane. It's $3 per command. It's running through voice attack because I'm not writing a whole listening system in Python or JavaScript, and it works well enough. So yeah. It's $10 if you want me to make you a custom voice attack profile. And on top of that, it's $3 per command. $6 for targeting, because targeting is 2 commands. If that makes sense. Does that answer your question for you, Sub? Yeah, okay. I know, like, the, what's it called? The delay is, like, super a lot. Really? My voice attack actually works fine. It's actually gotten better since I've used it. And I actually use it more than I do with my own listening system for Guardian, because normally it runs through a separate system, but you made a UI. Understandable. See, I don't want to do UIs. So, yeah. UIs are not my friend. Not a fan of them. And that'll send me the message. Okay. Actually, I might remove this one, because it's going to get all the users in that radius regardless, and I want that, so I want to be able to see who's there. Okay. Trying to think of else what I could do. Let's do a scroll, shall we? Understandable. That makes sense. Oh yeah, I forgot I gave that to you. I forgot I gave you a version of Guardian a long, long time ago. You still in JS, or I'm assuming you're still, yeah, you're still in JS. I might do this one. This one would seem fun. Else if command equals this will be event data dot user dot ID. Wait. Shit. I'm just realizing this whole system won't work now. Because I'd need to... I'm realizing now that the actual target ID thing won't work. Makes sense. Shot. Okay. Okay, shot equals event dot data dot user dot ID. Okay, perfecto. So now what I can do is I can do this d d d d d d d. I could do shot instead, and what that will do is it'll change it over to the thing. Sick. So what this should do for the shot is it should modify. Oh wait, I forgot I wanted to do this as player God mode. True. Okay. This theoretically should work. Theoretically. Oop. And scroll up to the top here. And there we go. Perfect. So now that's all there. What else? What else? If magic arrow equals true, or not equal true. Not equal true. Actually, I'm gonna do this outside of here. If no. Arrow equals true. Okay, so now I have a thing that'll actually let me do magic arrow. Let magic arrow equal false. So it won't be on by default, meaning I can now create a command if command equals arrow on. I can now do player message owner magic arrows Is this the item ID for an arrow? Yes, it is. Oh wait, no, that's 960. $960. Connection dot send player inventory owner dot then resp So what this will now do is I need to actually fix this up, so it's going to be, if I look for inventory, here we go. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go down here. Control V. Find and let the ID in the belt. Or yeah. So I need to if result.name stat players Control C. Do this and then do that. Wait, shit. So this one, then I do this one, and then it's going to do Control D. Response.data.belt. So this is the first one. First player pockets. Equals. Where is it? Eight 422 equals 8422 or which player identifiers of I equals 822 wacky destroy first player pockets. And then or first player identifiers of I. So that should work, and that what that will do is it will destroy the items if I have them in my belt, which I normally will. It'll destroy the arrow. Yeah, so that should work. Yeah, so it'll only work for my belt. It'll only delete items from my belt. I also do want to make a command for deleting items from the backpack eventually, which I have no thought process of how I'm going to do that. Uno momento, please. Will I start a voice attack so I can actually create the command? we go. And boop. Duplicate. Gonna do arrow on. Arrow on. Activate. Magic arrow. Duplicate. Deactivate. Magic arrow. Off. There we go. Now those are on. Stop. Perfect. Who's still here? Oh, there's more people in. Hello, everybody. I'm going to check my thing real quick. Who's all in here? Have I found a way to save inventory? You currently can't for quest, but yeah. Also, it turns out my multi-stream is like hella lagged out. That's nice. I can't see shit with that. That's awesome. Let me reopen that up to a better version. There we go. Also, hello, Lemon. I should probably remove these. I have no need for them. Boop. I realized I almost did a stupid thing. I could add a snail command. I could add snail to it. Yeah, you can't really do that. Nor can you actually spawn the string. So it would be basically, you would get a save string from it, but it wouldn't work because you'd need strings in order to spawn them, which you can't regardless. Ooh, I could add pacify as a command. I'm gonna do that. Boop. Boop. Else if player pockets equals that. Shut. So if I do... Okay. Saves, yeah, that's understandable. I know... There was something that you could do. Theoretically, you could save it and then just delete your back. Actually, Death, I've been told that you can disassemble a part. Like, you can disassemble a weapon itself without having to retrade post it. How do you do that? Is it one of the wacky commands? Is it just wacky? What is it? Because I've been told that you can. I'm just confused on how. I.e., I've been told by players that Soul can do it. And of all people, I believe you would know. All at once, or... So, like, if I go right here... If command equals I'm gonna name it disarm. So I first need to get the player's inventory, right? Connection send player inventory target dot then So if I wanted to do this, right? Like if I had right hand, how would I go from here? So you have to make a bot to get the entire result from player inventory. I'm confused what you mean. Can you elaborate? It's okay, don't worry. Take your time. Would you mind elaborating what you mean? Because from what I see here, like would be the logical way of doing it, correct? Because I basically get the right hand, and then the right hand would have a list of stuff, right? Like, here, let me pause the music. Okay. Give me a minute. I need to do some math. Calculator. 40 15 plus 6. 16. And okay. I apologize. I was reading. I was responding to someone. Okay, so pretty much what I could do is I could make a for loop. Right hand dot length, right? I can connection dot send wacky wacky re. Yeah. Oh wait, I wouldn't be able to go from the hand. Yeah, I would be able to go from here from. Oh wait, I'm dumb. Hold on. Let me. Boop boop is greater than 0 minus minus. So I could do that theoretically. Replace. Also need to do that. Yeah, so if I go down from the end, right? Like I go down from. Oh, does the right hand only show the the handle? Does it only show the handle? Ah, shit. So I'd have to get it from the all section of. Oh, it shows everything? So what I'm doing here is correct then. but instead of doing that, sorry, I would do that, that, and then I'd do K, correct? Oh, wait, no, wait, sorry. Of I, of right hand of K. So then I'd do that, yeah. And that would destroy it all. And then that would go there. And then I would do and ask right there. So then that would work, theoretically, correct? And then if I actually copied this again and did that, I could do disarm self and do owner. Then I could have that. Perfecto. So then I could do this. I can go over here. I could do this. Haha. This makes life so much easier. Disarm. Disarm. Okay. Perfect. So this should theoretically work then. Uh, that works perfectly. What do you mean? Uh, oh yeah, I need to fix this one. Here has a thing that it's trying to do there. Does that work? Yes, that does fix it. Okay. Actually, I might want to make a if command equals untexture. Actually, no, I won't do that yet. Should I? Yes, I should. Um, where is that? Wait, I have one of these for a reason. Destroy. Okay. Then copy you, do you, and then if I do untexture, Never mind. I want to do that. Texture. Wacky replace. Yes, perks of using AI for this shit. I have a co-pilot will actually generate a comment message for me. That's actually useful. Yes, I know that does say texture. Okay, so theoretically now I can do this. I can do this. Update it. Do do do. No, fuck you. I don't want magic.js. Boop. Hey, post command. Blah blah blah. Come on, give me something useful. You know what? Fuck it. There we go. So now, yes, that's exactly what I did. That's what the texturefy thing is. Actually, I wonder if this works. Guardian, untexture. That does work. Perfect. So I did spell it right. No, you cannot revive people from commands, but I am able to delete their crystals. One could wish. I might end stream here. How long have I been doing this actually? Fuck, I've been going for almost an hour. I might hop on, see if I can do some dumb stuff. Uh, you love my sound. What do you mean sound? Should be. Oh, okay, never mind. Should be a command. Uh, so yes, actually, well, they don't have a hash, but they do have a Actually, no. Yes, they do have a hash because I'm able to delete it with my destroy command, which takes the identifier of my left hand. Well, the hash of my left hand. Oh, you like guardian sounds? Ooh, nice job. You want what the better part is? Guardian, start system.
System started waiting orders.
I broke something. Where is it? 3 3 3 3. Control F. 3. Yep. Boop. Knew I fucked something up. You were timed out. Nice job. You spammed caps. Guardian, start system.
System started waiting orders.
There you go. That is how Guardian starts. It is so simple. It auto collects, it gets ready for me. I can select my thing, and boom. Gotta wait for 300 seconds to be up, huh? I wish I could untime you out from here, but I'm unable to. Cheese. No, your cheese, lemon. Mm. Look in arcane Discord. Boop. There we go. Sorry, I'm getting a really chill person. Their name's Viper. They're awesome. Fucking love them. They're a great person. Yeah, I'm texting them right now because they're like, "Oh, I'll leave you alone." I'm like, "No, don't leave me alone. I would rather you come hang out." What do you mean? Y'all better tell them that they're silly for doing that because they are silly. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, beep 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 beep. Boop. There we go. But yeah, is he timed out yet? No, you're out of the timeout. Deity, are you back? Stop. I wonder, is there a way of doing new command other Windows? Ooh, I can. Uh, C. Wait. C semicolon. Oh, I don't. Wait, CMD? I can do CMD. I can kill the CMD. Guardian. Close Guardian. Nope. Can't do that. Uh, mm, let's go look at Task Manager, see what it's called. Ah, Node JavaScript runtime. Okay. If I do Node. Hmm. Oh, you want to see my start.bat? It's very simple. It's literally just getting it's doing that and then looping. That's all it does. Also, just so you know, having a Vivox token is very much not allowed by Alta. Just to warn you. Um, please don't do that. It's not okay to do that. Um, stop. Mm, Guardian. Close Guardian. Oh, it does work. Ha! Start system.
System started waiting orders.
Close Guardian. Close Guardian. Ooh. Close Guardian. Oh shit. Start system.
System started waiting orders.
Mm, oh shit. Okay, that's on. Stop. Stop. I like severely broke it. Oops. Hmm. Interesting. All right then. Well, I'm going to. Oh wait, shit. I think I'm going to stop this and maybe go on to a server. Guardian, start system.
System started waiting orders.
Let's see where it is. I won't break it. S- Stop it. Uh, is Sendai on? Sendai's not on. I might go join Dyer's Kingdom and see if I can cause some ruckus in there. Uh, but I thank you guys all for coming. It was very nice to actually enjoy streaming for once. Uh, but yeah. Uh, anyways, bye bye. Good day to y'all.